Hi everyone, you saw the title. We are headed to New York Fashion Week. Yes, I'm excited. My husband surprised me with tickets, so the two of us will go. It'll be our very first experience together. I'm sure it'll be fun, and I wanted to bring you along for some of it. I am not a professional vlogger by any means, so please bear with me. I'm going to start with getting ready, show you my outfit. It'll be very simple, very understated, and then I'll show you the clips from the show. All right, for starters, I've got my diamond tennis bracelet that my husband gifted to me on my birthday this year. I'm going to couple it with this rose gold bangle that I got from Italo recently. If you watched my video, I revealed this, and I have a 20% off promo code for you guys. I'll link it down below in my description box. There you go, voila, two together. Very affordable, by the way. Yes, all for affordable jewelry. I think that looks nice. And I'm not going to wear earrings. I'm not going to overdo it. I just want a really simple, understated look. I will wear my Hermes Echapi ring on my index finger. This was a gift from me to me. Let me just get my set out here. This is my usual set, you guys will know. My Cartier Trinity band, my Tiffany's wedding band, and my engagement ring. So there we go. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna go, and then so let me move this over. I was going to officially unbox this at some point, but since I knew I was gonna wear this today, I just kind of literally opened the packaging and just kind of, yeah, it's not a true unboxing. I already opened it, I tried it on, made sure it worked with my dress. So I'll just show you really quickly, and then I promise in an upcoming video I will do a proper review. So this here is a belt, if you can tell. And you guys know I already own this Kelly belt. This is the Kelly belt, Kelly 18 belt. And I have it in the gold Epsom, and I love it so much. So I knew I wanted to get it in black, and I had been searching. And sometime this summer while I was shopping at Hermes, my sales associate said, hey, I've got this for you, and it's the pocket. It's the Kelly pocket belt. So this here fits cards and cash. It's super cute. You can use it as a separate SLG, but it's got this little piece here, sort of like tunnel, and you can shimmy it through, and then basically it's a cute little pouch on your belt. But I'm not going to wear this today. I don't want to look like, I don't know. It looks very utilitarian. I don't want to look like I work there. Okay, so let me just, oh gosh, I got this a while ago. So yeah, it was $1,400. So just a couple hundred more than the original Kelly belt, just a little bit more because of that pocket. But I'll show you my final look that I'm going to wear with this. I already took the stickers off and everything because I was panicking and I needed to prep so that I could hurry up and be ready for this. Okay, so I'll put this away. And then I've got one other goodie I want to share with you that you've not seen on this channel before. Did you guys watch that video recently where I showed the 5 new bags that were tempting me? Because if you did, you're not going to be entirely surprised by this, although I've not shown this exact piece on any video. Dun, 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 dun. So this here, can you recognize this piece? This little hand embellishment has been on my mind ever since I saw the bag version. So if you watch that Temptation video, this is from Alexis Bitar. So this is black embossed lizard. So you can see all that gorgeous detail. It's got this really nice sheen and shine to it. And then this hand detail, I don't know, because I'm kind of known for my talking hands. I kind of felt like it's very symbolic for me in this channel. But this is 14 karat gold plated, and it opens like so. It's just like a very simple little clutch. This is the clutch I'm bringing to the show. I didn't want to do any like really big name designer because I wanted it to be something a little bit more interesting and different. Beautiful, beautiful suede lined interior, very, very soft. I didn't want to get the full bag after thinking about it, but when I saw this little pouch / clutch version, I was like, yes, perfect. Now here's the thing. Price-wise, oh my gosh, this is $155. $155 for this level of detail, and just, I don't know. I think it's so cool. I'll link this exact one down below if you want to twin with me. But here's the thing. On the tag, which I cut off already, it says $245. So I don't know why on the website it says $155. I'm not sure if that means they're planning to increase the price. But even at $245, I think it's a pretty good deal. At $155, which is what I paid, it's a really good deal. It's a steal. So again, I'll link it down below if you're interested. So let's see how this all works with my full look. Oh, by the way, it is raining. It's like drizzling, so I don't want to wear open toe. I don't want to wear anything too delicate. I was going to wear my Manolos. These here with the beautiful satin and mesh detail and the pearls. This is what I was going to wear, and they're flat, so they'd be comfortable. But now that I think about it, because it's raining all day, it's probably not the best. So I'm going to go with shoes. These have all been waterproofed and sprayed down and protected. So did I say shoes? Boots. I'm going for boots. I've got ankle boots here. So I was thinking just simple black suede boots like this with my black dress, which you'll see in a minute. These are from Stuart Weitzman, but then when I try them on, they kind of look blah. And then these are from Chanel. It's the navy and the black, and then they've got the beautiful CC detail, but something looks off. I think it's the navy throwing off when I tried it on with the black. So I'm actually going to go with these, and these are not designer. Believe it or not, these are from Banana Republic. Yes. Oh gosh, you guys know I take really good care of my stuff. I've had these boots for about 15 years. No joke. So yeah, I think I'm going to do these because the height and the loose kind of casual vibe of these works well with my fitted dress. So I'll show you my final look. All right, let me pause here and just say, please adjust your expectations. I am not dressing fancy. It's going to be really, really simple. You see, what did I tell you? Simplicity and comfort is what I'm going for here. The dress is just a simple black knitted dress from Kenzo, which is a Parisian brand. I love the slit and the asymmetrical cut. It's easy for swaying and movement. It hugs my body. The belt is working. The clutch is working. And I am ready, guys. I'm ready to go. All right, we've now hopped into the Uber and we're on our way. I wanted to give you a close-up of my arm candy in the natural light. It's sparkly and beautiful, and there's my Hermes ring. Yay, I'm excited. My husband is next to me, and here I've got my creepy hand, my third hand with me. So let me show you what's inside. Kept it really, really simple, and I have only 2 items. My Kirigami pouch, small size, as a little wallet, and then my Dior lip glow for my lipstick. And that's it. And of course my phone. Look at the beautiful lizard. I mean, the embossed lizard detail is gorgeous. Here we are! Ah, the sounds of New York City. Do you guys feel like you're with me? We're actually really early, so even though we see some people, it's not crowded, and that's great because it'll give us plenty of time to get a feel for the area. But we got our badges. It's legit. We're going in. There I am. And of course, I have to show you my wonderful hubby who made this all possible with this lovely, lovely surprise. That's him. And we're in the elevator, and off we go. All right, you guys, I'm literally just sitting here enjoying refreshments and people watching before the show starts, and I'm having so much fun. So there's lots of bright pops of color, as you can see, beautiful, stylish people. This girl here was wearing Balenciaga. My husband called it a grown-up onesie, whatever. Here I spied a Dior belt bag, so of course I had to take a secret photo for you guys. And just lots of really cute, stylish outfits. Of course, we're in New York, but it feels like all the stylish people came here. And we've got a Bottega Jodie. Lots of Bottega, actually. Here's another Bottega Jodie in like a minty color. Super cute. This woman was wearing this beautiful, I think it's Judith Lieber, right? Beautiful. I mean, look at the crystals. So cool. Bottega again. There was a lot of Bottega here. Here's a close-up. Purple's not my color, but if it is, there you go. And then Valentino made a showing, yes. So lots of beautiful designer handbags. This was my favorite. This woman, she hooked the Gucci onto a tiny Chanel. Look at it closely. You see that? She like wrapped the I don't know, it's so cool. All right, here we have some Prada happening, old school Prada. Then, yes, we have Bottega again. I feel like Bottega was stealing the show. And then we've got some Fendi first action happening here. Very cool. And good old fashioned Chanel. We've got a jumbo classic flap. All right, it's time for the show. We're going in. And seriously, my husband and I, we look like kids on our first day of school. So we are at the Badgley Mishka show. Yes, so excited. This is how the seating looks. They set it up really nicely so everyone has a great view. And that is a wrap. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.